you're experiencing audio desync issues in Rocket League, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem. This guide will help you get your audio back in sync with the game. Step 1. Restart the game. Close Rocket League completely and then relaunch it. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix temporary glitches, including audio desync. Step 2. Check audio settings. Navigate to the audio settings in the game menu. Ensure that all audio options are set correctly, including volume levels and output devices. Adjusting these settings can help realign the audio. Step 3. Update audio drivers. Make sure your audio drivers are up to date. Go to your computer's device manager, find the audio section, and check for any available updates. Updated drivers can resolve compatibility issues. Step 4. Verify game files. If you're playing on Steam, right-click on Rocket League in your library, select Properties, then go to the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for and repair any corrupted files that could be causing audio issues. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Rocket League. This can resolve persistent issues by resetting all game files and settings to the default state. By following these steps, you should be able to fix audio desync issues in Rocket League quickly. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support for further assistance.